Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Alright y'all, I stopped by the Dollar General that I always go to, but y'all, it is a mess in there, okay? And when I mean a mess. But, you know, I guess they trying to get it together because the shelves were bare. And I mean bare, okay? So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so what I did today was I actually did the Gain deal mixed with the 5 off of 25. It's on the Gain. If you spend $20, you get $5 off. And then, you know, the regular 5 off of 25. I mix it in. And y'all, my subtotal was great, okay? It was great. I had to, you know, try to go around the store and see what I really wanted to do. I was going to do the toilet paper deal, but the toilet paper was so high, I did not feel like getting something and trying to get it in, okay? So I went ahead and did the Gain deal with the 5 off of 25. So let's go ahead and get to the video. All right, so the first thing is this Gain Spring Daydream. This is the 65 ounce. It is $6.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The next thing I got, let me move these over, is the Gain Swiffer wet mopping cloths, okay? Make sure that it says Gain on there, okay, for you to get the $5 off of 20, okay? So I purchased 3 of them, and they are, y'all, they are $5 each, and that's all they had, y'all, was these. So I said, let me go ahead and get these because these are good things for when I need to just, you know, wipe something, you know, do my little floors and everything, and I just love the smell, all right? So that right there, the 15 and the $6.95 is over $20, so you know automatically my $5 is going to come off. But when you actually do the 5 off of 25 along with it, how it comes for me, I got to make sure that it is $25, okay? And you have to make sure that it's $25 when you're doing the 5 off of 25 mixed with the $5 off of 20 for the Gain deal. So that $5 came off. So what I did was I still had the when you buy 5 of the Pepsi products, you get $3 off. So I bought, let me move this over here. I bought 5 Pepsis. I got 2 Diet and then 3 regular Pepsis. I got that and my $3 came off. Then I mixed in the Nivea. The Nivea, y'all, it went up. It is $4.15. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, and that came off. And then also I mixed in cards, okay? These American what is it? American Signature? Oh, I forgot the name of it. I'm sorry, y'all. What is it? American Greetings. Shit, greetings. Okay, American Greeting cards. They are 50 cents each, 2 for $1. And if you buy, there is a digital coupon. If you buy 3, then after it comes off, it will be 3 cents for all 3 cards. I got another one that says Celebrate. And then the last one, hold on. It says For Someone Very Special. So yeah, this right here is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. Then also my 5 off of 20 for the Gain deal. Y'all, my subtotal was $12.13, which you cannot beat that. $12.13. I mean, you probably can't beat that, you know, if you put some more stuff or, you know, cheaper items with, you know, good digital coupons. You probably can't beat that. So let me show you my receipt. There is the Gain. There's the Swiffer. There is the greeting cards. There's the Nivea. There's the Diet Pepsis. And there is my subtotal, $12.13. You know, everybody's taxes is different. Look at my total savings, $20.47. And then I didn't get a 5 off of 25. So hopefully we get a 5 off of 25 digital for next week, because it don't look like we got a paper one. Or it didn't even give me one just for today. So, and if you notice, their receipts are kind of different. They look a little different now. They look a little different. But this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. And then also 5 off of 20 Gang Saturday. But thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.